Everybody, welcome back to the International Hobo. I am here at the Hamilton Archery Center, aka Broccoli Archery Club. I'm still in Hamilton, Ontario. I haven't left yet. I came here to practice tonight for the upcoming Lancaster Classic 2018. Now, this will be my second go at this tournament, where I'll be shooting the barebow class against 121 other people shooting in that category. Last year I came 32nd out of 54. This year I'm hoping to break top 16, so we're going to see how it goes. I actually broke out the GoPro today and hooked up to my arm and a couple other people's arms to see what it looks like to watch someone shoot from the arrow's point of view. So you'll see this video linked up after my intro, and enjoy. Put your comments below, and don't forget, down below, hit the subscribe button. This is Glenn. He shoots compound. Be like Glenn. Go ahead.
So they probably don't hear that too often.
No.
Now you get to sit in with the half-hour excuses.
Like, yeah, pissing me off to be like, alright, you know what? I don't have to put up with this shit.
Hey. Hey, check it. Like, can literally walk down this side.
You can see all the shaking. Oh, that's cool. Gotta get a camera that goes in glasses.
Yeah. That's pretty sweet. This is AJ. He shoots Olympic recurve.
There's no way we can do the draw right, but it's actually pretty good. No, I think they will.
Just let me put.
There's no over right here. I won't shoot it. Sliding. I got
like my shoulder, there's no pain. It just doesn't go.
Yeah, like I never get any shoulder pain. It's just always right.
In the morning it'll hurt. Maybe for an hour or two.
So also,